I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream of potato soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 medium onion. Salt, pepper, and fresh chives will complete your delicious soup. This simple list ensures a rich and creamy result every time. Now, let's prepare the base. Start by peeling and dicing your 2 pounds of potatoes into small, uniform pieces so they cook evenly. Next, melt 1/2 cup of butter in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your diced onion and sauté it until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step builds a flavorful foundation for your soup. It's time to bring it all together. Stir in 1/2 cup of flour with the onions and butter to create a roux, cooking for about 2 minutes to remove the raw flour taste. Gradually whisk in the 4 cups of broth, ensuring no lumps, and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Add your diced potatoes and let them cook until they are fork tender, which typically takes 15 to 20 minutes. For the grand finale, remove the pot from the heat and stir in your 1 cup of heavy cream. Season generously with salt and pepper to taste, and add fresh chives. If you prefer a smoother soup, use an immersion blender to achieve your desired consistency. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade cream of potato soup. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.